Hi, it's Jeff. Just having an intro video here about, I'm on a long straight road, so I'm not looking at the video here. I'm just going to talk. I'm looking and focusing where I'm driving, right? Um, so, very few cars right now in the early in the morning. Uh, this is kind of just kind of introduction to this chapter, and this chapter is going to be about, call it, I want to call it like quality, the framework. There are different kind of types of framework of software testing and different ways where some people call this quality assurance, some people call it quality control, and then quality management is just kind of a look at the whole overlay of that. And I don't want to go to all these things because the concept of quality is kind of like, it's such an overused term. But sometimes somebody should say, hey, software testing cycles are this. Here is kind of the frameworks in which we can do certain types of validation of quality or whatever one of these things. And so I'm going to give a few different frameworks. We're going to from different fields and things. I'm going to kind of address these and to say here's how the word is used to mean this. Quality is used to mean this and this thing. And this gets all the debate about, what's quality control. Like I say, quality control versus quality assurance and that. And people are going to debate this all the time, right? And that's okay. I just want to make sure that we understand that this gets debated all the time. And that what does that mean? And what are the kind of the different processes that you do? Because these words can be attached, these different kind of cycles. So I want to address that in this series of little sections in this chapter about the frameworks, because this is going to be very important as we begin to look at as we go through these validation testing, whatever cycles, the criteria on which, and the evaluation criteria, not the criteria, but the number of values that you attach to the number, a certain amount of criteria. How are you going to determine how many answers that you can have per question? Which is the thing, because that speeds up or slows down things. But you have to understand how this fits into these cycles of quality assessment, evaluation. What do you want to do? Testing. What do you want to do? This. We have lots of different words for these things, right? So that's what I want to address here. Okay. So let's go to the next chapter section.